with Chef Ricardo. This one is a superfood, and hopefully you guys like this recipe. Please subscribe and leave a comment in the description box. Very healthy one for breakfast in the morning, guys. Please give it a try and give it a go from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned and don't forget to click on the notification bell and subscribe to the YouTube channel. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team again. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, very healthy drink which you can have in the morning before your breakfast. Alright, first of all, what we're going to do is put a handful of spinach in the blender, just like this. Alright, and secondly, I got some strawberry and grape. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it like this, because I love my strawberry and my grape. Nice one. Secondly, what we're going to do is put a piece of a ginger, because ginger is very good in weight loss. Alright, guys, so stay tuned in with the ginger and all them things there. Piece of ginger, squeeze half of a lemon inside of it. Alright, don't make the seed go in it. Lovely, nice one. Alright, so basically we have some super food chisel seed, which is very good for us. Alright, and now I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of it inside of it. And a teaspoon of honey, because you know honey is good for us. Alright, organic honey. Not too much of the sweetness though. Organic is better. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is we all know wheat. Whole wheat is very good. So we're gonna put roughly about half of whole wheat inside of it. A whole of whole wheat. So you can get that at the local shop or supermarket to buy. And you can use oats if you want to. And just half cups of water. And just blend this for 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful and nice. Now we're gonna show you how to serve it up. Easy one. Nice and lovely, guys. So now that's it. Looking lovely and nice. I'm just gonna simply serve it up like this. Yeah, that looking good. Alright, look at that. Beautiful and nice and simple recipe to have at home. Anyway, please enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and this is a super food for your breakfast in the morning from Chef Ricardo and the team, and this can also help you to lose weight at home in your kitchen. Stay tuned and I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye.